Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your TD Bank with Splitwise. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and log on to your TD Bank so that you can fund Splitwise transactions. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So first thing you want to do is log on to Splitwise. Then click on account, then click on add a funding source, then click on bank account. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on continue, then click on continue again, and then go ahead and click on TD on the bottom right hand corner. Now it's going to prompt you to log into your TD bank so that you can go ahead and fund your Splitwise transactions with your TD bank account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your TD bank with Splitwise. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.